Hi friends, welcome to Best Banking Jobs. Now we are going to say about the tech job with Axis Bank. It is not a banking job; it's a tech job opportunity with Axis Bank. Of course, they are doing it with their course as well. They are doing it with Axis Bank and Manipal, and also it is open for Axis Bank with NIT as well. I will provide this link in the description. With a salary of 8 lakhs as a deputy manager and IT job with Axis Bank. Now let's see with Manipur. Say it's an Axis Bank, India's top tech opportunity. Your dream role in tech salary starting with 8 lakhs per annum. The starting salary is 8 lakhs per annum for the freshers. It's an assured job after successful completion of the program. Don't think too much. It's just a 4-month program, that too online. You are going to learn from your home. So it is such cheapest. If it is with accommodation, the cost would be huge. Here you are going to learn from your program uh, through video conference. So it is much cheaper and it's a much higher package as well. It is a technical job. Be a product owner, infra and DevOps lead, full stack developer, quality assurance. All the training which is essential for the job will be provided by them. Unlike what you study at the college, and when you get into the job, the things are different. But here you are going to learn things which is needed for your job alone. You are not going to learn many and use little for your job. Here you are going to learn which is essential for your job alone, so it will be more practical and it will be more specific and much more easy as well. The program fee is 2.5 lakhs plus taxes. It's not huge friends, definitely it's not huge, because the package, the fresher what is the going to earn is 8 lakhs. Comparatively 2.5 lakhs is definitely not huge, and it's a 3-week interview training included. Yes, it is 25,000 payable on selection. We can see in the FAQ in detail. The first one, once you have selected, that you have to pay 2.5 lakhs, so 25,000. And for the remaining, if you have money in hand, you can pay yourself. Else, if you need and financial assistance from Axis Bank, you can get that as well. That is what they mean. You have to pay 25,000, and after that, you can even get financed by Axis Bank, or you can pay on your own. And laptop will be provided for the course. If you have laptop, you may omit it, I think. But if not, a laptop will be provided by them, but it will be charged extra. And the application fee is 499. That's it. There's no other charges involved. You are going to be at your home for 4 months. Just you are going to be connected with them for 4 months and be a software engineer with Axis Bank of 8 lakhs per annum. The eligibility is engineering, science graduate. It means MSCs and MCS, basic coding skill, C++, Java, Python required. The graduation is 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21. So if you are already with some other experience with some other small companies, or some other which if you need much more, and if you need to be with banking on the tech jobs, even though can those can apply. If you're fresher from 2017 also, you can apply. If you're already working with somewhere also, you can apply. Selection procedure: online assessment will be there. Okay. Even that will be online. Assessment will be all online. You can write from your own. Academic interview: that interview will be conducted by the Manipur, and then interview will be conducted by Axis Bank, and then 18 weeks of training program. That is what I said, 4 months. It is an 18 weeks, actually it is a week training program, 18 weeks. And start working in Axis as IT deputy manager. It is 11-week training program and 7-week live project. Totally it's 18 week. It's a virtual classroom session, and agile practices included in daily schedule, remote tutor assessments, integrated programming environment, learning platform. 11 weeks of training program and 7 weeks of live project. These are all the topics they are going to be covered: Agile practices, Spring Boot, JavaScript, Cloud concepts, AWS. Training partner, they are Manipal. It is about Manipal. It is an India's leading talent development and employment productivity solution provider. It is established in 2008. Academic has trained more than 1 lakh professionals for 50 plus leading banks. So it is most trusted, and of course it's an 101% job guaranteed. It is about Axis Bank, you all know, so I just skip it. It is FAQ about the program. See, what is the program structure? It's an 18-week program on 11 weeks online training, 7 weeks online project. Post successful completion of the training program, you'll be joining as a deputy manager IT. Who is eligible? See, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21 branches, passed out branches are eligible. BE, BTech and MCS and even MSCs can apply for it. Does this program offer an assured job? Yes, the program offer an assured job subject to participants successfully completed the, yes, you should complete the training. Just at the top there is an apply tab where you need to apply. What is the selection process? Okay, how to be selected for the program? It is an online proto assessment and the interview with Manipal, interview with Axis Bank. That's it. Only the first three is the selection criteria. If you clear the first three, it's enough. They will give you the whatever is needed to be trained, and you will be joining your dream role. Duration, it is 18 weeks. Okay, here it is mentioned as August 2020, but here it is for the 21 branch only. What is the duration of the online program? Okay, what is the duration? It is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. Yeah, the section will be about verbal ability, thinking ability, programming ability, code correction, coding, short coding long. This is what the behavioral competency assessment, and it is for 45 minutes. It will be two functional competency assessment. You need to attend two assessments: functional competency assessment, behavioral competency assessment. Willingness to learn, emotional intelligence. Yes. What are all the documents required for enrollment? Your resume, your 10th, 12th mark sheets, graduation, post graduation mark sheets and certificates. If you have been already employed somewhere, the experience letter, PAN card and Aadhaar letter. The fee is 2.5 lakhs plus taxes. If you laptop is provided, you need to pay laptop for laptop also. Will I get a loan program fee? Yes. Yes, loans are available. Is there any application fee for the program? Yes, 499 we have to pay. These are the only two charges involved in it. Post selection your record. Once you have been selected, you need to pay 25,000 to the program, and then whether you can book your seat, and then after that you can arrange for loan, or you can pay by yourself. I am an undergraduate. It's no. If you are an undergraduate, no. Only the graduates can apply for it. Yes, after completing, you will be getting a certificate from Moneyball Global. If you have not completed the training, if you have done everything you have paid, but during the training program, if you have not completed, the job will not be provided to you. Now, friends, this is in detail about the job. Will I be an Axis Bank employee? Yes, you will be an Axis Bank employee at the direct payroll of Axis Bank. as a deputy manager in IT vertical. So it's not banking department, you will be posted on the IT vertical. Description of being offered through this program. It's 4 roles: be a product owner, develop application using a range of different technologies, maybe a developer, full stack developer, oversee automation of all manual tasks for the building, development of codes and data, infra and obsolete, be responsible for ensuring that final product observes the company's quality standards, quality assurance, ensure the solutions stay in line with the product roadmap and business goals. What will be my designation and salary? Your designation will be deputy manager and the salary will be 8 lakhs per annum. Who will issue the job offer? Axis Bank will issue the provisional job offer. What is my location? It is Bangalore or Mumbai. It's 2 location, Bangalore or Mumbai. Can I get transferred to different location? Yes, it is based on the company's requirements. Who will I report to? You will report to BU head at Axis Bank. Yeah, it's important. Will I be eligible for annual salary increment after I join? Yes, you will be a part of annual performance appraisal process and will be eligible for annual increment based on performance. As like any other companies, as like all software companies, you will be eligible for appraisals and you will be given increment and bonuses as well. What will be the compensation? It is 8 lakhs and you will be receiving the medical and life insurance coverages and other perks as like all other staff members. Is there any service bond? There's no service bond. It's something good to note because others you may find 2 years of 3 years of bond. Here there is no service bond. Your probationary period is only 6 months. Friends, it's very less. It's very less because for the freshers, it's the usual thing is it will be 12 months, but here only 6 months. It is very good for you. On the job training and internship. Where will be the training be conducted for how long? The training will be online and the training duration is 18 weeks, 11 weeks online training, 11 weeks online project. Will I be paid any stipend during the training? No, you will not be paid any stipend. It's just a 4 months. Of course, you're going to learn. What happens if you do not complete? Definitely, it will be withheld. Program fee 2.5 lakhs. Is there any other fee? No. If it is for laptop, if needed, and the program fee of 499 is. Will I get back the money? Axis Bank does not pay back the program fee. What does all my fee covers? It's 11 week of, yes, this is what your fee covers. When do I make a payment? After the interview rounds, Axis Bank will issue an provisional offer letter, ask you to pay 10,000 to Manipal Global, and one. It is that's it. You have option to book your seat by only 25,000 and balance can be arranged. It is already discussed. Yes, nothing. This is about the tech job with Axis Bank, along collaborated with Manipal, and also there is an opportunity with NIIT as well. Of course, the programs are same. I will share this video as well, friends. It's really if you are an engineering aspirants or MSCs, MCS, please make use of it. It's a tech job. It's not a banking job. I clarify you. It's a tech job with the Axis Bank. Later you can move to TCS, Infosys or whatever the platform. Even sticking to Axis also you will be earning very good. Please make use of it. Thank you. Subscribe our channel.